There's something interesting to see everywhere. Eyes help us find out about these things. Our two eyes are very, very important, for they give us bright, clear pictures of the world. Eyes are important to every animal, too. Did you know that a fly's eye is really made up of thousands of little tiny eyes? A grasshopper has the same kind of eyes as a fly. The grasshopper cares for its eyes by dusting them with special little brushes on its front feet. When we want to see behind, we have to turn around. A grasshopper can see behind without moving. It can see up and down, front and back, all around at the same time. No wonder grasshoppers are hard to catch. A snail's eyes are on the ends of long stalks. Look closely, and you can see a little dark dot. That little dot is the snail's eye. You'd think that would be a dangerous place to have an eye, but the snail has a good way of protecting its eyes. A crab has its eyes on shorter stalks. If a crab loses an eye, it will often grow a feeler to replace it. If a spider should lose an eye, it will still have 7 eyes left. A spider has 8 eyes. You can see 4 eyes right in the middle of its head. Have you ever noticed that some animals, like an ostrich, have eyes on the side of the head? And others, like the hawk, have eyes on the front of the head? Watch how an owl has to turn its head to see things on either side. Some scientists believe that animals with eyes on the front of the head at one time lived in trees. Having the eyes in front helped tell them how far above the ground they were. Most animals with eyes on the front of the head are hunters. Lions don't have to worry about what's going on behind them. Rabbits do. Rabbits have eyes on the side of the head. They can see all around. A prairie dog's eyes are on top of the head. When a prairie dog comes out of its underground home, it can see its enemies, like hawks and owls, approaching from above. The hippopotamus couldn't see very well if its eyes weren't on top. A llama has long eyelashes. Eyelashes help keep tiny bits of dirt out of the eye. The horned lizard has heavy, thick eyelids to protect its eyes from the dusty desert winds. Goldfish have neither eyelids nor eyelashes. Their eyes are open all the time, even when sleeping. Goldfish have a thin layer of clear skin over their eyes. Different animals have eyes of different colors. Our eyes are usually the same color as our mother's or father's. Eyes all work in the same way, but some people's eyes don't work as well as others. When this boy takes off his glasses, things look like this to him. When he puts them on, things look clearer. With glasses, his eyes are as good as anyone's. Have you noticed that eyes tell how people feel? They show when they're mad and when they're glad. Can you think of an animal that has no eyes at all? The earthworm doesn't need eyes where it lives. But we do. And that's the reason we should be careful with our eyes. If sand or dirt gets in your eye, don't rub. Blink hard. Or ask a grown-up to help you. Be very careful with pointed things like brushes, pencils, and sticks. Never look right into the sun. Shade your eyes. When you look at books, be sure the light comes over your shoulder and not right into your eyes. Eyes are a wonderful and priceless possession. Through them we can see things that are very close. And we can see things that are millions and millions and millions of miles away. That's how wonderful our eyes really are.